Am I the only one that didn't know atoms had their own solar system? Meet the Bohr Model. So, what exactly is the Bohr Model? Picture an atom as a mini solar system. The nucleus is like the sun, and electrons are the planets, orbiting in fixed paths called energy levels. Here's the cool part. These energy levels are set in stone. Electrons can't just drift around, they stick to their orbits. If they hop from one level to another, they either absorb or emit energy in the form of photons. Niels Bohr proposed this mind-blowing idea in 1913, blending quantum theory with classical thinking. Why is this important? Well, it explains why atoms are stable and why hydrogen, the simplest atom, emits specific light frequencies. In Bohr's model, the energy of an electron is always negative, but when electrons jump between levels, they release or absorb energy equal to the difference between those levels. So next time you hear about atomic theory, remember Bohr's model. It's a game changer that makes the invisible world of atoms a bit more understandable.